This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Daniel Parrish. Modern farmhouse boasting the most tranquil setting. This remarkable property features a spectacular, fully restored ranch farmhouse. It includes 4 oversized bedrooms, 1 bed over the garage, 2 bathrooms, and office space. Upon entry you're greeted with beautiful hardwood floors. The open concept kitchen is incredible. Featuring custom white cabinets, a large bar, granite countertops, open to the living room, a perfect place for entertaining, the beautifully appointed custom fireplace, and awesome sunroom for our great for evening events. Completely renovated bathrooms, completely new HVAC system to include new duct work. The exterior of the home exhibits stately charm, featuring classic farmhouse. The home boasts a beautiful outdoor space. The home exudes charm, remarkable finishes. All new windows. Additional driveway space and a large covered